What's the meaning of comfit? Comfit. Comfit.
Comfit. Comfit. Comfit refers to a type of confectionery that consists of fruits, nuts or seeds coated in sugar and often served as a sweet snack or dessert. The process involves boiling the ingredients in sugar syrup until they are candied and then rolling them in more sugar or ground nuts. The end result is a crunchy, sweet treat with a chewy center that is often enjoyed during holidays or special occasions. Comfits are a popular treat all around the world and come in various flavors and shapes.